is what we call on the spot. I'm pulling out questions here, and I really have no choice but to answer them. Here's my number one question. For you, what is the perfect man? Someone that will love you unconditionally, someone that will accept who you are, and who just loves being by you. Complete the sentence. I am the only person I know who kisses my dogs with, like, they kiss my teeth sometimes. What images come to your mind when you're asked about your childhood? Disneyland, and of course Barbies. I love Barbies. I had like 100-something Barbies when I was a kid. If you were to pick one when you are most alive and active, what would it be? At night. Probably at night. I'm a night person. I hate mornings. Waking up. If you had to talk about something for 3 minutes, what would it be? I could talk about my dogs. Not just for 3 minutes. I can keep going. You know how they have their own character, how may personality talaga sila. What's the best advice you'd give yourself today? I need to be careful not to fall in love fast with the wrong person.
And not to fall into a trap. Okay.
Now, I hope you now have an idea about me. At siguro, mas nakilala niyo na ako. Sana nagustuhan niyo ako. Ano ba, masyado ba akong madaldal? O siguro mabuti nga yun. But anyway, ang mabuti, we got to know each other. I got to know you guys. Sino-sino ang gusto mong makatrabaho sa GMA? Gusto ko din makatrabaho sa JC. So I'd like to work with Dennis Trillo. And Richard Gutierrez. I'd like to work with Richard Gutierrez. Would we see a different side of you in Acero? Yes, I think you would see a different side of me sa Acero because it's a very mature role. Yun nga, may mga kissing scenes, which I don't really do, but I've been. And then may belly dancing scene, may tango scene, ang daming iba't iba. What is the most challenging part of your role in Acero? Si Richard kasi, syempre, kakilala lang namin sa isa't isa, tapos biglang we have kissing scenes together. So I must say, doon ako medyo nahihirapan. Anong masasabi mo sa leading man mo na si Richard G? Richard is really nice. Sobrang maalaga. Ready ka na ba ulit ma-in love? Crush mo ba si Richard? Si Richard is very guwapo. I'm taking my time to reset myself at the moment. But of course, when the right one comes along, wala na yung mga reset na yan. You look so happy. Are you enjoying the chat? What do you think about it? I am enjoying the chat. I didn't even realize that I've been sitting here for almost 3 hours. I'm happy because it's just cool, you know, when you get to talk about your life, what's going on, how you are, and you're yourself, you're not in character. You really get to know each other. Now, you realize also for the people that are watching, you realize kung talagang gusto mo ba talaga si Heart na atin, kamusta kanya, ano ba talaga ang ano mo. So, you know, it's real. And I like things that are real and connecting to people. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat nakipag-chat sa akin this afternoon. Nakakataba sa puso ang mainit yung pagtanggap sa akin. Now, I'd like to invite everybody once again for to watch Codename Acero with Richard and a whole lot more. Salamat ulit sa inyong lahat, and I wish that we will have another chance dito sa pag-chat natin at marami pa akong i-share sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Until next time, mga kapuso, thank you so much everybody, to the staff and to Direct.